game?
So basically, you should not get less than 0 points or else, and also don't crash the planet or else you'll get minus 1 point.
Oh, minus 1
And
point.
if you crash the star, you will get 1 point plus. They both bounce. And then there's a 1 minute timer if you can see over here.
Nice.
After 1 minute, and then there's going to be the backdrop being like this.
Oh, change the backdrop. Oh, you change
So the
your
backdrop will change into like this, and then the cat will speak your score. Also press the green flag, and also when you touch the start, also duplicate, and when you touch the planet, it will bounce to the edge.
Yeah, so nice. All right, so it's working perfectly. Thank you, Joanna.
You need to catch the Earth before you
Multiply.
touch the UFO. If you touch it, it's already hidden. Will make it more, so it will be hidden, and you should be careful if you touch it. So don't touch it and try to pass through there and go in here. That's
Okay, this code, can you see your code? Point towards the mouse. It follows your mouse pointer, right?
Like this, it's the first code and everything like that. I duplicate UFOs. This one.
Okay.